Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you something incredible. We'll be building an alarm app using ChatGPT, an AI language model. I'm excited to show you how I can use my programming skills to create an alarm app. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three technologies are the backbone of web development, and we're going to use them to create a functional and beautiful alarm app. HTML provides the structure and content of the app. CSS is used for styling and designing the app, and JavaScript adds interactivity and functionality to the app. Together, they create a powerful combination that can be used to create amazing web apps. Let's get started with building the alarm app.
I will open CodePen web app to show you how I made that alarm application using ChatGPT. As you can see, this is my alarm application. This have alarm set button, title and time format. I set 12-hour time format so everyone can easily adjust it according them needs. I will open my browser and for ChatGPT, official website. As you can see the prompt, I type in ChatGPT for that alarm application. In the first box this panel give me code for HTML. HTML is backbone of any application. On second panel you can see the JavaScript code provided by ChatGPT. This is where all the logic of the application is stored. After this I give ChatGPT another prompt for its design and UI, and ChatGPT provide me following code. After this I copy HTML code section from here and I paste that code in HTML box in CodePen web application. That panel will check HTML code then process it. Then I copy JavaScript code from panel and paste that in JavaScript box of that CodePen. Here in JavaScript this will inject logic in that alarm application. And last I copy CSS style code section from ChatGPT and paste it in CSS section of CodePen. As you click on results this will show up of our application. So you can test apply action and use it for daily. You can set desired time in that box and this will give you alarm. If you like me video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is up for today.